Have you been struggling with creating Google Ads with higher click-through rates and higher conversions? This video is for you. You will learn some proven tactics and tips to write amazing Google Ads in order to get creative and stand out from the crowd of advertisers in your niche. Because many of your competitors are bidding on similar keywords, a lot of the ads are quite similar. Your ads can easily get lost in ads saying pretty much the same thing, and you can miss the chance of getting valuable clicks. The solution is to not lose sight of what your potential customers are really looking for with the help of your affiliate product. So, say for example, you're promoting a weight loss product. A killer Google ad headline could be "Shed that excess weight now." It's a psychological trait of most of us humans that we don't want to miss out on an opportunity. Loss aversion, as it is called, will help your Google Ads get higher click-through rates and higher conversions. You can easily achieve that by injecting a simple countdown timer within your text ads. By adding this little snippet inside your headline or description, this pop-up should appear. Set the end date of, say, a special deal or offer period, and your ad should include a countdown in real time. It's human nature in most cases to be more interested in what is relevant or exciting because they have happened very recently. This also applies when it comes to Google Ads. You could apply this concept in your Google Ads by stating, for example, how many customers your products or services have helped this year, this month, or even this week. It could also be how much money it helped people save, for example. Numbers are generally easier to digest and understand when explaining things. When you incorporate them into your Google Ads, your ads appear more accurate and credible. Including specific numbers like 456, 2456, or 3122 makes your ads achieve higher click-through rates and conversions. The more specific you are, the more believable your ads become, and the more clicks your ads will tend to get. If you don't want to greatly decrease the potential clicks on your Google Ads, avoid pronouns like we, us, me, myself, and I. These pronouns reduce your ad's ability to focus on your target audience's needs and negatively affect conversions on your landing pages. Replace these pronouns with you or your, depending on the circumstances. The latter help your ad stand out as a solution to your potential customers' need. Find opportunities to include these in your ads headlines or descriptions first lines. It's sad that so many advertisers tend to target several cities at once when setting up their Google ad campaigns. Targeting several cities should not keep you from showing your target audiences that the help your affiliate products offer is right around the corner. You achieve that with very localized ads based, for example, on phone numbers having geographic proximity to your target audience's homes. You could double your conversion rates with this strategy. Go to a call tracking provider and start buying all their local phone numbers.